In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, hello everybody, how are you doing? We'll be doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm an IELTS and spoken English trainer and student visa consultant. Been training the students and professionals at the platform of Genius Institute Lahore for the last 21 years. My dear friends, we have started the mock test series of IELTS Speaking Part 1. It is going to be yet another presentation in this regard. And you know that I have been giving you certain information about how to deal with part 1 in particular of IELTS speaking test. Now, there are some instructions. You know that the question are asked very straightforward, and they are taken from the very everyday topics, and the question answers should neither be too long nor too short. They should be intermediate kind of answers, 3-4 sentences based on the factual information related to you, and moreover they should be the answers which should which should continue for 15 to 20 seconds approximately. One thing very important students ask us, and it is one of the most frequently asked questions, that should the student give an answer straight away, directly? I say yes. You should answer directly, and then you should try to add some more information with it. For example, if the teacher asked, or if in that case examiner asks you, do you like cricket? Yes, you should answer, yes I do. I like it a lot, and I love playing cricket at my whenever I get an opportunity of playing it. So I don't have time in the weekdays, so I play it on the weekend because of my work commitments and other activities. So like this, you have to continue giving the answer to the examiner. Today I'm going to ask one of the students something about television. So there are some questions which will be answered by one of my students. So let's get started. How often do you watch television? Why and why not?
Well, to be honest, I started to watch TV. Basically, when I was child, I was fond of watching TV on daily basis. But now I'm doing job, so I don't have enough time to watch TV on regular basis. But on weekends, I prefer to watch talk shows, morning shows, and on political issues. So I'm doing it on weekends.
Okay, and which television channel do you usually watch and why?
Well, to be honest, I prefer to watch fashion shows, morning shows, as well as political related programs. Like different channels, they are running in our country. So the popular one, I can say that UKVi, the most favorite of mine. So I used to watch different sort of channels and different sort of programs on it. So it's
Okay, fine. Do you enjoy the advertisement on television? Why not?
Frankly speaking, it irritates somehow, and I think it's somehow the waste of time. So I don't like to see the advertisement on programs.
And don't you think that advertisement give a lot of information regarding different products?
According to me, it's somehow a little bit knowledgeable, but if I talk about the time and irritation, we can say that it's somehow irritating.
Okay, and do you think most programs on television are good? Why not?
To my knowledge, a lot of programs on TV channels are more informative, knowledgeable, and we can get a lot of knowledge, as well as we can practice a language, international language. Like BBC News, BBC channels are full of knowledgeable, and we can get a lot of communication skills like English. So it's better, and it's very comfortable, convenient.
Thank you very much indeed. She has been using certain words which were repeatedly used, and you would have also noticed that a bit of confusion. Maybe it's facing the camera in confusion is there, and moreover vocabulary was overall fine, fluency was okay, a bit of hesitation was here, maybe sometime while she's trying to conceive certain ideas, and maybe sometime she is looking forward to hunting some appropriate words to be used in her first part. But overall, pronunciation was good, it was understandable what she was talking about, and a lot to be improved is needed. So in this way, she has given us a presentation. It was alright, but she needs to have a lot of further improvement in her speaking part 1. God bless you all. See you with another video. Until then, stay blessed.